Kenmore just gifted me this cordless hand vacuum, so let's check it out and put it to the test. Here's how it comes. Now here's how it is once you put it all together. I'm really loving that it has this great base that you can just plug in, so then it will charge in its base when not in use. So that's really nice. And before we get to the vacuum itself, it does come with two different accessories. This is your 2-in-1 combo tool. It has a focused funnel suction, and then you can pull up the brush by pushing this button. And now you have a brush suction. I love the brushes. They are really nice for getting into crevices where you might not want to scratch anything. Sometimes using a brush on upholstery actually helps get a lot more up, so then the vacuum can really vacuum it all up. So that's really nice. And then you also have your upholstery / pet hair tool. This has the lint roller like material that's going to pull up any hair, pet, human, whatever, and any other lint or anything else that's on the upholstery and help it suck it all up as well. And then we have the vacuum itself. This is a really sleek vacuum. I love how nice it is to hold. I didn't expect it to be really nice to hold because it just looks really focused on the look over how it would feel, but it has this lovely little indentation here for your fingers, which feels really nice to hold on to. And then it has clean buttons on the top. And then it has the dustbin on the back. You can just pop it open, dump it out, close it back up, keep going. One thing I'm noticing off the bat is that this is a small dustbin, meaning you're going to be emptying this more often than a lot of handheld vacuums, but it's making up for that to me in being such a lovely streamlined size. I really like how skinny it is in general, as this will be great for fitting in all those crevices and cracks around like the sides of my car chairs, things like that, especially with this piece on the top, so it can get really narrow, really get in there. It has a lot of length going on, which is really, really nice. Now you will want to fully clean this from time to time, as it does have a filter inside it you want to get out. These just pull on and off. There's nothing special about removing the accessories, but to remove the dustbin, it has this button right here, and when you press that, it just comes right off, and it's actually taking off the main front of the vac, including the suction part. So you could actually wash this completely if needed. You can open it all the way up, and then the bottom you have your little debris catcher. This is the part you're going to want to clean from time to time. It has this filter, and you can just take a dry brush and clean this off from time to time. It'll really help your vacuum last longer. And then it also has this metal sieve that's going to catch more. And this, like I said, you can just wash. Just make sure they're completely dry before you put everything back together. And it really does all just pop right back together, and then it's ready to go. Now I have no idea if this has any power right now, but let's turn it on. It does. And it has 2 levels. The airflow is coming out these side vents. It's really not that loud, except that it's right by my head, so you're probably hearing it in the microphone really well. And it does feel like it has decent suction. Let's see how well it can hold on the cardboard. And it has good suction as well. I think it's time to put this to the test. Now, of course, I need to test it in my car, which is absolutely filthy. So let's turn it on. And I am just going to start at the top level and just go. That's doing a perfect job. Try along this edge here. And this might be better for the brush, just to get in the fabric. I'm gonna pop that on. See if that helps. Now I could spend a little more time, but some of this is really stuck in here. I have to say though, that did a remarkably good job in short order. Really vacuumed everything up, no problem, and you can see all of the gunk in there. I am so impressed. I think this is one incredible handheld vacuum cleaner. I definitely recommend this Kenmore.